Hi guys, this is Victor with LMS CPA. Welcome back. Strategy number 5, guys. You may want to invest in crypto, and then you want to invest your crypto in a self-directed retirement account. You probably want to do exactly what Peter Thiel did. He basically invested in a Roth IRA. He put shares of a company that he worked for, that he founded, grew to multi-billion dollars, and his Roth IRA grew from nothing to $5 billion, which is a lot of money. So it's a lot of money. Okay, so you may want to learn from that. If you find an investment, a crypto investment that you believe in, and you believe you're gonna hold it for forever, for a long term, kind of like what Warren Buffett's done. Like he invests forever. You then may want to utilize some of the tax vehicles that are either self-directed and allow you to invest now. Do not take the deduction now, but then when you pull the money out, you don't pay taxes legally, right? And those are self-directed Roth IRAs in this case. So that's a great strategy, guys, if you're gonna invest for long term, right? Remember, long term, market is gonna go up and market is gonna go down, market is gonna be flat, right? Institutions are gonna jump in and the game is going to change, right? We all know that. We do not know how the game is gonna change, but we understand the game is just gonna change. And then your view is going to be a long-term view. So a strategy, guys, that you may want to consider is, you know what? I'm just gonna do this, right? Besides trading crypto, it doesn't matter if it's short-term, it doesn't matter if it's long-term. I'm also gonna have other investments, other businesses, but also I'm going to invest in a self-directed Roth IRA, and I'm gonna put money into this self-directed account for the long term, and I will not have to pay taxes in the future as I pull the money out. I think that's a great strategy, guys, for you to consider. Strategy number 6, guys, you can actually gift your crypto assets to a family member. Now, the IRS allows you to gift up to a value of $15,000 with no tax consequences. I want you to think about that. So let's say that you actually do gift $15,000 worth of crypto investments or assets to a family member, let's say your child, your spouse, but your kids, an uncle, whomever. And your family member is in a lower tax bracket. So if that's the case, let's say that they actually do not work. That means that their wages or ordinary income is very low. And you donated $15,000 worth of crypto to your family member. You could strategize this in a way, guys, that your family member to which you gifted this crypto to actually will pay very little in taxes or zero. And why is that? Well, because the amount of income that the person made from the sale of crypto investments and the fact that the person actually is in a very low tax bracket may not have to pay taxes in the gains of crypto, okay? So then again, you wanna strategize this properly. You wanna do the right research. You may wanna give us a call and we can talk about it. We can give you a detailed plan on how you can strategize this legally and lower your taxes when it becomes about selling your crypto investment. So what I'm saying here, guys, is there's different ways for you to strategize matters as it relates to your investments that you can leverage the tax code in a legal way that will help you to lower your taxes. Strategy number 7, guys, you can actually donate your crypto to charity. So let's say that, you invested in crypto in the early innings of this crypto mania, right? It's this blockchain, amazing technology that's happening and it's revolutionizing the world, the financial markets, and much more. Okay, so let's say that you invested and you want to support a charitable organization of your choice, right? Once you donate your crypto to a charitable organization, guys, actually you will not have to pay taxes on the gains of this crypto. The increase in value of this crypto, you will not have to pay taxes on that raise in value. Part number 1 there. Part number 2 is that once you donate it, you can take a deduction based on the fair market value of this asset on your taxes. So let's say that you invested in a crypto and the market value of it increased to $50,000 and you donated it. You can actually then take a deduction worth of $50,000 in your taxes. That is huge, guys. So as I said, guys, when you donate an asset, you can claim the appreciated fair market value at the time of donation as a deduction against your taxable income. As I said in this example, if you own $50,000 worth of Bitcoin in this case, and choose to donate it to a charitable organizations that you support, you may be able to write off this as a charitable deduction on your taxes. This is huge, guys. This is very important, right? This is actually can make a life-changing event to an organization if a lot of people or if many people donate into a charitable organization. So it's a win-win situation. You are taking a deduction on your taxes, so actually you're improving your taxable outcome, and then you're helping an organization to further their cause. It's a win-win. And last but not least, the eighth way that you can utilize for you to lower your taxes in your crypto investments, okay? And that is move to a state in which it has, lower tax rates. Think about this. Some states, actually most states, should have a vested interest in the financial situation of its residents. Why? Because the state believes that if you have the economic resources, you can actually you're gonna be spending the money in the state. And then if that's the case, the economic growth of the state is gonna go up, and it's gonna expand, and it's gonna grow, right? So actually some states are very friendly. Some of these states do not have state income tax. Some other states have very low tax rate on capital gains. Think about this. If you have utilized some of these 7 other ways that we went over to lower your taxes based on your crypto investments, and then you move to a state in which your state income taxes are very low or even zero, then guys, it's a win-win. The game is over, right? You've basically mastered the way in which you can lower your crypto gains taxes. And then again, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching these videos, and make a comment below as it relates to any ideas, any suggestions that you guys may have. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.